Good morning. Today's date is September 15th, 2021. We start with our true color satellite. We can see the marine layer off the coast of California here, particularly thick down here at the bottom. We have the fires that are burning up here, which are creating this smoke layer over California, most of it concentrated down near where we are. If we actually look at our shortwave IR satellite and go to our subregional sector, we can see the fires progressing here. It was a lot smaller yesterday. Now we can see these big black dots. And let's see if we can get anything from yep. We can see the big red spots where the fires are burning and a little bit of that smoke coming from the actual natural color fire right here. If we move on to our field conditions here at Meadows, we can see as of 14Z, winds are calm with 7 miles of visibility, smoke, clear skies, temperature 23 dew point 5, altimeter 2987. If we look at the previous 6 hours, we can see that winds have been pretty much light and variable with 8 to 9 miles visibility, smoke, temperatures have been decreasing, but since the sun is rising, we should see a slight increase now. As for our national forecast chart here, make sure we have the right time selected, Wednesday, September 15th. We can see that up near Oregon there's a cold front coming down, and then we have a trough over central California. Whoop. There we go. Got a trough passing down straight over Bakersfield. Got a low right to the east of us, and a little high in the middle of Arizona right here, along with all these troughs spanning near the southeastern tip of California. As for our TAF, we can see that Bakersfield is going to be winds variable at 4 with plus 6 miles visibility, few clouds at 25,000 feet. It's going to stay that way. Maybe it'll clear up right there. But the highest winds we'll see is from 020 at 7 knots. See at Fresno, they're also reporting variable at 4 with few clouds at 25,000 feet, but down in Oxnard, where we have that marine layer and everything, we can see overcast at 500 feet. Same with LAX, they got overcast layer at 10,000 feet, but visibility should improve throughout the day. Hopefully. Or at least the ceiling should. And in fact, we actually look at the TAF here, it looks like it might actually get worse. But we'll have to see. As for our NAM here, I wanted to look at two things. I wanted to look at one, the wind speed here at the 500 millibars. We can see throughout the day those winds are going to get stronger. They are going to pick up in the Central Valley. And then what I also wanted to see is I believe under the precipitation products, the 5700 line right here. We can see in the next 24 hours, not much is happening. But if we go forward a little bit, see that line actually passes over California, which should be interesting. Just a chance. We're all hoping. And then we're going to move on to, actually we'll move on to our winds right now because I don't have much more time. But we can see for our 19Z at the winds around 5,000 feet, we'd see winds are 316 at 6, 10,000 feet, we're looking at 226 at 9, about 230, 15,000 feet, 220 at 12, and our temperatures throughout the day as we go up around sea level, we're looking at about 87 degrees, almost 90 degrees, but at the pattern altitude, it'll probably be a nice 72 degrees. As for our current temperatures right now, about 76 degrees, and winds are pretty much light and variable until you get to about 5,000 feet. Have a wonderful day.